What's up, Diamond Nation? It's your girl Flawless Britny here, back with another video. Today, if I look over here, because I'm gonna look over here a lot, so just forgive me. So the hair that I'm gonna be using, Easy Braid Triple X Spectra Original Antibacterial Braid. Oh, this is the one where, like, when you got it in, your hair won't itch, and it comes with 3 bundles of braiding hair in each. Yeah, it comes in 26 inches, and the color that I got is a 1B. So you guys, I am almost 7 months. November 3rd will be 7 months from this photo. This photo. 7 months ago, this is how my hair was. Yeah, I want my front to be over here. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I love it. This part could have been a little tighter, you know, whatever. Anyway, I don't even know if y'all can tell that it's like the zipper sort of look. I don't know, maybe if I would have used like less hair or something. I don't know. I mean, I can see it, but that's because I know that I was doing that. If it looks like a regular braid to you, let me know in the comment section down below. If it looks like almost like a zipper braid, let me know. It definitely don't look regular, especially over here, to me at least. Almost look like a banana braid or a Ghana braid more than it looks like a zipper braid. I don't know, but you can see it more down here, you know. But, you know, this is my first attempt, so let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.